Another good idea for products, freeze-dried products, are fruits with chocolate. In factories, usually those kind of fruits are completely covered, but in order to do that, it needs special machinery, and it's quite expensive to purchase them and also to run them. Another option is to only apply chocolate on half of the fruits. The way you do it is you first freeze dry the fruits. In this case, these are apple pieces. You freeze dry them. After that, you apply chocolate. You may want to try the microwave method. You can find this on YouTube. In my opinion, it's the easiest way to melt chocolate and still have a good crystallization. Then dip half of the fruit into the chocolate, and after that you will need to freeze dry again for a couple of hours, let's say 3 to 5 hours, at a temperature of maximum 20 degrees Celsius, so the chocolate doesn't melt. The reason for that is that while producing apples or strawberries, whatever fruit you are going to use, will absorb humidity from the air, and they will get mushy and they will not be nice anymore. If you put them to the freeze dryer again, they will be crispy again and you will have a good result.